guys, welcome back to Two Sisters World. Two Sisters World, and today I'm going to be playing with some new slime that I just got, or that I just made. Actually, I just put it inside this little bag. I do not have a container, so it's like a regular slime ingredient. This right here is a regular slime ingredient type slime. I'm gonna move you guys down a little bit. Okay. Okay, so I'm at my auntie's house with all of my, well, not all of my cousins, but most of my cousins as of now. We are also going to be posting a little bit of musicals on our channel, so you guys can see what kind of musicals we like to do and stuff. So make sure you please stay tuned for that. If you want a slime tutorial, like a slime showing or a slime tutorial or how to make slime or a slime tryout video, make sure to stay tuned, and also please make sure to leave that in the comment section. Alright, yeah, and like I said, make sure to like, well, I didn't say that, but please make sure to like our videos in order to have more videos like that. Like I said, stay tuned for our musically videos, because I know you guys are more you guys out there like musically, and we are going to be reacting to our subscribers musically. If you even have a musically channel, please put your musically not musically channel, but if you have a musically, please comment your musically down below in our musically video, so then we can go to your musically and react to your musically, and then so you can be on our channel. Once you be on our channel, please make sure you stay tuned for that video, so then you can see yourself on YouTube. Like I said, I know it's a bunch of announcements, but yeah, this is my slime. I made it out of glue and tie like normal people. Well, most people, because most people just use eye contact lens solution, but I like to use tie because that's what most people have laying around the house. Instead of eye contact lens solution, you have to buy eye contact lens solution, and most of the time, eye contact lens solution is very, very expensive. And I just put like some sprinkles inside my slime. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make that video, and I hope you guys like it.